Okay, locked this little guy up today. Just like everything else, just needs a little love and money. Kind of over here on Lake Mead and Decatur area. So I like them like this because it's simple, right? You just gut everything and put in everything new. I like it when it's that simple. So I believe, the drains work, electricity, water, all that stuff seems to be working. A couple of updated windows. So there was a squatter in here, but we got him out. And what is that? Maybe I'll take that home. I don't know. So I don't know. I'm scared to go in here. So this is all you get. And then here's the bathroom. There's me. So gonna go see the backyard. Oh, I locked that, but lots of stuff. Gonna go through a few dumpsters, but it's got a nice big backyard. Side motorhome parking, toys, whatever. So come in soon. It's gonna be about 2 months, but it'll be hitting the market and she's gonna be pretty.